GIS has always been a priority for asset management, but now with asset teams under pressure to ensure what they spend is needed, a reduction in rent means a reduction in asset spend. For example, using your property NPV scores, GIS creates thematic maps to show concentrations of poor performing properties. Seeing them visually on a map helps to see properties with poor NPV in close proximity, aiding in the identification of potential development sites. What about flood risk or radon activity? GIS can give you answers quickly and efficiently. GIS allows you to capture more data on the ground, from fences, gates and walls to windows and staircases. Capturing and viewing this data in GIS helps you keep better track of your assets. Are your properties suitable for solar thermal or photovoltaic installation? GIS can answer that for you. GIS provides a strategic insight into your assets more than any other system can, allowing the information you hold on your assets to be readily available at your fingertips. ODC have helped over 60 social housing providers, and with our flexible approach can help you as well. Visit our stand at the Virtual Asset Conference and chat to Alan, Rick and Craig.